Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's World. A few days ago, we had the Poor Man's Flea Market here in Richland, and you've already seen some of the projects that I was working on. Tonight, I'm trying to light the campfire stove. Just because I've got down through the pile and down to the campfire stove. There's still a gas grill, which is a different thing. This is designed to cook with pots and pans, just like a kitchen stove. The gas grill, that's something for grilling your steaks on. Pretty interested in that one. Poor Man's Flea Market, find number 6. Now, so far, I've been doing pretty good. Little John Deere, it's going to take some more work, but I got a feeling it's going to work for me. And I decided to take a little side trip onto this one. This is a Coleman camping stove. I've not had one of these before. This is a propane stove. Probably a lot of you already recognize it. Two burners, hooks up to a standard propane bottle, and I wondered if it was going to work. Because, you know, obviously somebody threw it out because they didn't want it anymore. This thing, make sure all the valves shut off. Okay, the gas is off. There's no gas coming out of the burners. That's working good. So, I've got the propane tank hooked up. You just spin the bottle onto that little regulator there. Then this goes into the side of the stove and connects to the gas line. It's got a little automatic shut off on the thing until it's connected. Let's try it. Turn the gas on. Ah, we got fire. Quite a big fire. I think you could boil water pretty quickly with that. Let's try this one. Got to do something about this thing. This is not going to work. Those little catchers there on the corners, not a good thing. I got to get a little more understanding of this to figure out why it's doing that. But in the meantime, I'm going to turn on the burner. I got the gas going. There. Both burners lit. Now, I don't know how long this bottle of propane will run. I do have a hose that I could hook it up to a 30-pound propane tank that I have. And I have a couple of 20-pounders for the gas grill. And that's open all the way. It's not choking out. So evidently the little bottle is putting out enough gas to keep it running. Turn it off. There. That's pretty cool. And all for the paltry price of stopping and picking it up. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.